Assalamu alaikum students. Unit 2, lesson number 3, more on formatting in MS Word 2010. Page number 23 till 27. From the chapter 3, you will learn about formatting characters, formatting text in columns, page formatting, formatting paragraphs. Formatting characters, you will have font effects, superscript and subscript. Superscript, you can see it is text above the line, and subscript is the text below the line. For superscript, you will have to select text, press Ctrl button, Shift and is equals key. And for subscript, you will have to do select the text, press Ctrl and is equals keys. Okay. Then we are coming to the next, which is text effect. For text effect, you have these options. From this option, you can have another options like outline, shadow, reflection or glow. Or from these options, you can select any of the one, and then you will press OK button to have your text effect. And from the click time activity, you can get what Zoha have the problem and how she get her solution. Carefully read it and you will definitely get your solution. Character spacing. Character spacing is the spacing in which you adjust. Character spacing is the adjusting in which you adjust letters where you stretch and compress the letters. In this, you can see figure number 3.2a. The drop down button from this dialog box appear, and this dialog box appear. You will go to the advanced tab. Advanced tab, in the scale option you have these options. You can select any of the one value. Then from the spacing, you can go to the normal spacing, expanded spacing or any other which is given to you. Position, you can select any of the position, either raised or lowered. At the preview pane, you can view your text effect or character spacing effects. Then you will press OK button. In this, you can also see this is fun. The text is written. It is a normal text. Then you can see here condensed spacing is done, and the is fun which is written is in raised position. Okay. Has in this you can see the 66% scaling has been done, expanded spacing is done, and is fun is in the lowered position. Okay students, I am explaining the next page and using drop cap in my next video. Thank you.